Hey everyone, I'm Sarah, the owner of Jelly Bean Interiors.
And I am Abby. I am a mum to a beautiful 1-year-old Parker. He's turning 2 actually on Friday, which is really exciting. I cannot believe how quickly that time is gone.
You just blink and they're like grown ups.
It's actually insane. Well, your little one's going to be 2.
I know, don't talk about it. She's 6 months old in my mind.
We are going to make a cake.
Yes.
For Parker. Parker is absolutely obsessed with Funday lollies. So I thought what we could do is we could do a refined sugar-free kind of style cake, and we could decorate it with Funday lollies, because who doesn't love lollies?
They're so good though.
I know.
Can I have a packet?
Yeah, of course. Wait, can I open one too?
Yeah. And then
the recipe. Yeah, okay. All right, 3 cups of flour. And then we're going to pop 2 teaspoons of baking powder in here.
Yep. So I don't have
That's
a
all right,
measuring spoon,
we're going to wing it.
This is Nana's recipe, by the way. So
exactly.
like, you know, she says 3 tablespoons.
It's foolproof.
And then we have bicarb soda, half a teaspoon. Yeah, that seems about right.
That'll be fine.
Yep.
Perfect. And then have we got any salt?
Half a teaspoon. I'm Greek. That's about 3 teaspoons.
All right, we're going to do a cup of butter. That's 250 grams. So
there's 250 right here.
So 250 grams of butter. We're going to slightly melt. We need it softened. So we're just going to do some melted butter. All right, so coconut sugar. This is an alternative to white sugar, so refined sugar free. It actually is so good. We've got 250 grams of softened butter, and we're going to add that in.
This is how much I bake, everyone.
So 1 1/4 cup.
Yeah.
Perfect. Amazing. Mixer. And then we're just going to blitz this.
Beat until creamy.
Oh.
A few moments later.
We have burnt the motor of our Anko Kmart.
We were not prepared. This is kind of funny. Just wait. This isn't met. Oh my God.
We use the egg and we'll get the mixture a little bit more moist.
Gonna sneak some lollies. It is usually a really good recipe. I actually made it on the weekend and it was delicious. So we can do it. Hang on.
We're gonna do this. We're gonna figure it out.
1 hour later.
To be fair, oven didn't work and the mixer stopped working. So,
and I scrambled the eggs. So
to make it better, we've got the Funday lollies. Obviously, that's going to make everything better.
That was the most important part anyway, like really.
So we're going to decorate it with his faves. Yum. Kind of worked out for the better.
We're going to put the recipe online anyway. Otherwise, if you're not a baker, Woolworths.
Convenience. A lot of convenience. That's what mums need though.
Exactly. I've got too much stuff to do.
Oh my God, it actually looks so cute.
I know, how fun.
The Artie Mix lollies are my faves. Have you tried
so good.
The strawberries and cream ones?
No, but I
good.
just had the limited edition sour frogs.
Oh
my
no
God.
way. I haven't tried them
They're
yet.
so sour. I love them so much. If you're a sour lover, get on that.
Is it Parker approved?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, it actually kind of looks cool.
Of course it looks cool. We made it. We made the entire cake. Who's going to know?
Who is going to know?
I think that's it. And there you have it. Nana's rainbow cake from Woolworths with our Funday lollies. Thank you everybody for joining us. And thank you, Abby.
Oh my God, you're so welcome. So welcome.
All right, well, let's go sing happy birthday to Parker.